Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back with lesson number 12, that is change over time. Let's have a look at today's objective. By the end of the lesson, students would be able to differentiate between old and new Karachi. Do you know where Karachi is? Karachi is the biggest city of Pakistan. Here are some facts about old Karachi. 150 years ago, Karachi was smaller than now. People used to travel by horse or camel cart. There were no cars, no rickshaws, no buses, nothing available. Instead of electricity, people used oil lamps. They used oil lamps because there was no electricity. Here are some pictures of old Karachi. Can you see these? Very good. And here are the pictures of new Karachi. Now the city is like this. Look at this worksheet. You have to select the right word from the highlighted words and send your homework at fsabine06@gmail.com or WhatsApp at 0302 9861 702. I will be waiting for your feedbacks. Till then, bye bye.